270 pints per day, 3,000 square feet, a built-in pump, MERV-eight filtration, auto defrost, and a 5-year warranty. The Abestorm Hurricane 1250 is a serious commercial machine. 103 pounds and 63 decibels are the honest caveats. Moisture removal capacity scores 9.2. 270 pints at saturation covering 3,000 square feet with 510 cmh airflow makes this one of the most capable units in its class. Built-in pump scores 9.0. 14.7-foot vertical lift with 19.6-foot drain hose enables continuous unattended drainage, confirmed by verified buyers. MERV-eight filtration scores 8.5, protects internal components from dust and particulate matter, extending unit lifespan in dirty restoration environments. Weight and portability scores 5.5. 103 pounds requires 2 people for floor-to-floor, moves despite rubber wheels and reinforced handles. Water damage restoration performance scores 9.2. Auto defrost down to 33.8 degrees Fahrenheit. Memory restart and continuous pump drainage make this genuinely purpose-built for flood and restoration job sites. Noise level scores 5.8. 63 decibels is significant for occupied living spaces and basements adjacent to bedrooms, flagged consistently across buyer feedback. Energy efficiency scores 7.5. 2.4 liters per kilowatt-hour COP is solid for this capacity class, and AHAM certification confirms electrical safety compliance. Auto humidistat scores 8.5. Set and forget humidity control with auto cycling confirmed as reliable by verified Amazon buyers. 5-year warranty scores 9.5. The longest standard warranty in this commercial dehumidifier class and the strongest long-term ownership confidence Signal Abestorm offers. Ease of operation scores 8.5. Large LCD panel, simple button layout, memory restart, and auto error detection make operation accessible for non-technical restoration crews. Noise in occupied spaces scores 5.8. 63 decibels limits use in occupied bedrooms and living areas without acoustic separation. Value versus dri-eaz scores 8.0. Delivers comparable restoration-grade performance at significantly lower cost than established restoration brands like dri-eaz. Water damage restoration professionals score 9.5. Auto defrost, pump drainage, humidistat, memory restart, and AHAM certification cover every professional restoration requirement. Homeowners with large basements score 8.5. 3,000 square feet capacity and continuous drainage make this effective for large unfinished basements and crawl spaces. Single-person operators score 5.0. 103 pounds requires 2 people for safe transport between floors or job sites. Budget-conscious buyers comparing to residential units score 8.0. Commercial grade build, 5-year warranty, and pump drainage justify the premium over residential alternatives. Warranty and reliability value scores 9.5. 5 years backed by AHAM certification is class-leading for commercial dehumidifiers at this price. Restoration performance value scores 9.2. Pump, defrost, humidistat, and 3,000 square feet capacity deliver professional-grade results. Noise and weight scores 5.5. 63 decibels and 103 pounds are the 2 honest limitations for residential and single-operator use. Overall CNA Tech score, 8.2 out of 10. 4 stars. The best commercial dehumidifier under this price for restoration and large basement use. Not for occupied living spaces or solo operators.